Pa-introduce mo muna ang yourself. Can you stand up po para makita kayo ng girls? Hello!
Hello girls, congratulations sa inyong musical. I know your fans have been waiting for this. It's more than like a year, right? My question is, how would you like your fans, your clients, your song parang to interpret? Paano nyo ba gusto ma-receive ng mga fans yung song?
Simple lang po talaga yung gusto namin maramdaman ng mga makikinig ng float. Gusto namin siyang maging comfort song niyo, especially pag sobrang bigat na ng nararamdaman niyo. And we hope na yung simpleng, I know that you can do it. Maging ano siya para kahit
Motivation.
maging motivation para just to keep going sa life. So, ayun po. Kasi actually yung song na float, personally po talaga, ano ko siya, kumbaga, parang team song siya throughout pag nalulungkot talaga ako. Tapos parang pag pinapakinggan ko siya, kasi syempre alam ko kung paano namin sinabi yung I know that you can do it. Hindi lang siya basta ni-record na I know that you can do it. Dapat may ano talaga siya, feelings na I know that you can do it. Kasi paulit-ulit namin yung ni-record, yung part na yun. Kasi hindi na feel nila Ate Krisha yung sincerity pag sinasabi namin na I know that you can do it. So, tumatak po talaga sa akin yung part na.
Grabe yung conviction yung sinabi niyo. Hana, may gusto ko sabihin.
And additional naman po, may nagawa po kaming quote about flow, diba? Yes. 1, 2, 3. We don't swim, we don't think, we flow.
Yes, Kat.
Yes, Ay.
At kulang rin po na yung pinaka-message din po ng song namin is yung you are never really all alone. Which means na andito po kami, Pixie, di ka po nag-iisa and it's okay to ask for help if nalulunod na kayo sa mga problems nyo and to trust the process and keep moving forward.
Okay, tama yan. Trust the process because we're definitely going forward. Any more questions po?
Ako nga pala si Janet, one of the admin of house. Admin ni Hana.
Let's go.
Tanong ko lang, ano yung pinanguhugutan nyo ng para gawin yung vlog? Ano yung pinanguhugutan? Ginawa nyo hugot para gawin yung mismo kanta na yan?
Actually, this is composed by Ate Hazel Faye. And I think from what Ate Hazel Faye visioned our group, so parang ini-interpret niya po doon yung kung paano yung chemistry namin as a group, yung rapport po namin, and how we are chasing our dreams always. And then, you want... Okay. Hindi pa nasabi na po na yun. And also, gusto, yung flow talaga is dinidedicate po namin for Twine. Yes, also, for Twine. Yes. For everyone, not just Twines. This is for everybody who needs comfort.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, yun yung main hugot natin, yung comfort.
Yes.
Ano po, ang tanong ko po,
Hindi lang po na.
ayun na.
Ayan.
Hello po.
Pakilala po muna kayo.
Ay, ako po si Mark.
Hello po.
Hello. Ang tanong ko po, napapansin ko po kasi na puro inumin po yung ano niya. Yun lang po. Siguro susunod po may gatas na po ba?
Uy!
Manigay.
Why not?
Thank you for that idea.
Yeah, I like it.
Actually, mahilig kasi tayo sa mga drinks, di ba?
Oo.
Simula yun sa iced coffee talaga. Pero guys, truth, ano lang yun? Parang hindi talaga sinasadya.
Yes. Yes, hindi ka
Nagkataon lang na may incident, may float, may iced coffee, may yan. Yes. At saka ano yun? Bale, madami pa kasi kami pwede ma-release na songs in the future. So, baka isa yan sa maging ideas na next namin i-compose. Ano gusto niyo? Ice tubig? Shake. Ganun.
Gatas shake?
Ice tubig!
Shake?
Yeah. Ay, gatas pala yung gusto niya. Sige, next na yan.
Oo.
Milkshake.
Nakalista na yan.
Opo. Introduce yourself to the fans, to the twine
Ano
that
po,
are here.
ako po si Crisan. Ako po nag-training sa kanila sa PR. Pero, so, before anything else, message mo. So, I'm really proud of you guys kasi nakita ko din yung training process nyo, tsaka yung kung paano, how passionate you guys are for your, music and your job. So, super deserve nyo and I hope sa future, you guys will continue to achieve more. Kaya, may tanong ako, exam. So, yung question ko is, given yung future nyo as Pixie, can you guys give one word each on what you want Pixie to be for your fans? Wala naging exam. Tingnan yung mukha ko na ako.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Next question.
Kaya niyo.
One word.
I want Pixie to be more stronger.
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 Tama po ba? Nagtanong.
Again. Tama ba, ate?
Kaya na tama na hindi.
Repeat the question
Yung
again.
each
Thank you so
one of
much.
you give one word on what you want Pixie to be for your fans. Oh, one word each.
Ano yung Tagalog ko
sa'yo? Sorry na.
So yun nga po, stronger. So, gusto ko po maging stronger yung Pixie para mas maganda po yung music na may papakita namin sa inyo on the future. And for many, many more years to come.
Stronger para sa kinabukasan.
True.
Next.
Wait na, ako na.
Sa akin naman po is, I want Pixie to be more dedicated, yes. Kasi syempre yung dedication namin, yun yung pupush sa amin na magpatuloy sa ginagawa namin para sa fans. At para rin sa amin.
Wow. Stronger, dedicated, and...
Inspirational.
No! Kinuha niya yung sagot ko!
Tulungan niyo ako!
Yes.
Gusto mo i-explain kung bakit inspirational?
Gusto ko pong ma-inspire yung clients din po namin. So, I want, yun yung gusto ko makita nila na, pag makikita po nila kami, nakaka-inspire mag-aral, mag-sayaw, kumanta, to be confident. Yes.
For me, I want Pixie as someone for them to look back.
Parang two words yata. yun.
One
Ay!
word. To look back. Back burner.
Okay, sige.
Look back. To look back po. Kasi I want, whenever they are, they have work, stress from work, school, in life, in general, I want them to look back on us like, we're here. You're not alone, and you can do it. So, it's home na lang po. Okay na po ba? Home na lang po pala.
Yeah.
To look back, di ba?
Yes.
Home.
Saan ka uuwi? Sa home.
Tama.
Oh my gosh.
Guys.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. And that's also the explanation of hope.
Ako, I want Pixie to be the light for Twine. That whenever you feel down or kahit ano man ang napagdadaanan nyo, tapos makita na yung performance namin or you hear our music, kahit pa paano makagaan sa loobin nila. Kasi yun naman ang ginagawa talaga ng music. It is to, kumbaga magbigay ng, nawala ako sa, magbigay ng inspiration din, syempre, at saka hope para, kasi ako din, talagang naano ako sa music. Whenever I feel sad, just listen to music na makakapagsaya sa akin. So, I want to be the light of lights.
Wow. 10 out of 10 po ba, ma'am?